Hello, friends. Welcome to the next lesson of this SEO course. Today, we are going to talk about the three main pillars of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. If you understand these three concepts, then almost 70% of SEO will be in your control. So let's start with a simple example. Imagine you run a restaurant. In SEO, there are also three important parts. One, on-page SEO. This is like the inside setup of your restaurant: the menu, decoration, cleanliness, and service quality. Two, off-page SEO. This is what people say about your restaurant outside: reviews, word of mouth, and ratings. Three, technical SEO. This is like the kitchen system and pipelines, which make everything run smoothly, but customers don't see them. These three pillars together create a strong SEO strategy. One, on-page SEO, optimization inside your website. This is the part of SEO that is completely under your control. The goal here is to optimize your content and structure so that both Google and users clearly understand what your page is about. Important factors of on-page SEO: 1. Title tags and meta descriptions. The title is the first thing that appears in Google search results. For example, if your blog is about best shoes for running in 2025, your title could be something like Top 10 Running Shoes in 2025, Expert Picks 2. Keyword placement. Use your keywords naturally in important places, like the title, headings, H1, H2, and the first paragraph. Avoid keyword stuffing, because Google is now smart enough to detect it. 3. Content quality. Your content should be informative, detailed, and useful. Google prefers pages that genuinely help users solve their problems. 4. Internal linking link, related pages within your own website. For example, if you have a page about SEO basics, you can link it to your keyword research guide. This helps both users and search engines navigate your website easily. 5. Image optimization. Keep your image sizes optimized and always add alt text. This helps Google understand what the image is about. 6. URL structure. Use clean and keyword-friendly URLs. Clean URLs are easier for both users and search engines to understand. 2. Off-page SEO, building authority and reputation. Now let's move to the second pillar, off-page SEO. This is the process of building trust and authority for your website without directly changing anything on your site. Google looks at one important question: what does the internet say about your website? In other words, your site's reputation and authority. Important factors of off-page SEO: 1. Backlinks, the most powerful factor. When other websites link to your page, it works like a vote of confidence for Google. For example, if a popular website links to your blog, Google sees your site as more trustworthy. 2. Quality over quantity. 5. High-quality backlinks are better than 100 spammy backlinks. Avoid cheap link farms or paid links. After Google's Penguin update, these can be risky. 3. Social signals. When people share your content on social media, it indirectly shows that your content is valuable. 4. Brand mentions. Even if a website mentions your brand without adding a link, Google can still treat it as a trust signal. 5. Guest posting and collaborations. Writing valuable guest articles for reputable blogs is one of the safest and most effective backlink strategies. 3. Technical SEO, behind-the-scenes optimization. This part of SEO mostly happens in the background. But without technical SEO, Google may not be able to properly crawl or rank your website. Important factors of technical SEO: 1. Website speed. If your website takes more than 5 seconds to load, many users will leave the page. Tools like Page Speed Insights or GT Metrics can help you check your speed. 2. Mobile-friendly design. Today, more than 70% of traffic comes from mobile devices. Google uses mobile-first indexing, so responsive design is very important. 3. Secure website, HTTPS. Your website should have an SSL certificate because security is a ranking factor for Google. 4. Sitemap and robots.txt. A sitemap tells Google which pages should be crawled. A robots.txt file tells search engines which pages should not be indexed. 5. Fixing errors. You should regularly fix problems like 404 error pages, duplicate content, and redirect loops. You can monitor these issues using Google Search Console. 6. Structured data, schema markup. Structured data helps Google understand your content more clearly. For example, if you run a recipe website, schema can highlight ingredients and cooking time directly in search results. Quick recap. Let's quickly summarize everything on-page SEO. Optimizing your content and page structure. Off-page SEO. Building authority and trust from other websites. Technical SEO. Improving website performance and crawling. Think about it like this. Your website is like a car. On-page equals design and engine. Off-page equals public reviews and popularity. Technical equals maintenance and smooth system. Only when all three work together, the car runs smoothly. In the same way, SEO rankings also depend on the balance of these three pillars. So now you clearly understand that the three types of SEO work differently, but they all aim for the same goal: better rankings and more organic traffic. In the next video, we will take a deeper look into on-page SEO and learn the practical steps: how to write optimized content, how to improve titles, and how to use keywords properly. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson, where we break down on-page SEO in detail.